Okay, in this segment, I want to talk about balancing equations. So I have my combustion reaction right here. But according to Lavoisier, we learned way back in chapter 1, however many atoms we have on the left side, the reactant side of the equation, we have to have the same number on the right side. So a good way to start balancing is just to take C, H, and O, because those are our main elements, and it doesn't really matter what order you write them in as long as you keep writing them in the same order across the page. And then notice I've divided the reactants from the products. And now I'm going to write down how many of each I have. So here I have 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. On this side I have 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, and then combustion can be a little tricky to balance because you have oxygen in 2 places, so you have to add them. Right now I have 2 plus 1, I have 3 oxygen too on the other side. So now you start looking at where things are different. So if I look across, my carbon looks okay right now, but my hydrogen is the first place that looks off a little bit. So I can put numbers in front. You cannot change the subscripts. The little numbers, the subscripts, you can't change. But you can put numbers in front. Those are called coefficients in order to balance the equation. But when you put a number in front, it's multiplied by every single element in that equation. So what I just did is I put a 2 here, and that means 2 times 2, I now have 4 hydrogen on the side. And then I have to take 2 times, we don't write the ones, but there's 1 oxygen. So that means that I now have 2 oxygen here, plus 2 oxygen here. I now have 4 oxygen. So if I look over here, I still only have 2, but I can put a 2 here, and 2 times 2 gives me 4 oxygen. So now if I go straight across, make sure that I balance properly. My carbons are both 1, my hydrogens are both 4, and my oxygens are both 4. I balanced. We don't always write 1s in front when we are balanced, but you can. And to make sure that you haven't overbalanced, meaning you've gone too high, you make sure you have at least 1 odd coefficient. Oftentimes that odd coefficient is a 1. But if they're all even, that means you balanced it too high and you need to reduce it down.